Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 S560 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 463 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG line, which is going to give you AMG sports body styling for the front and rear and side skirts. 19-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black Napa leather interior. Panel sunroof. Ambient lighting. Coming around back. Rear spoiler. S560. 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Sit at all season and regular floor mats. Comfort box for extra storage. This one does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you an active distance assist, Distronic, active blind spot assist, active lane change assist. Also included is the Premium 1 package, which comes with Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, a black poplar wood trim, LED logo, which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel, back poplar wood and leather steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders,
climate control off,
touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, hard keys for our media display, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This S560 has 4,419 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S560 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.